Okay guys, this is the preparation sa ating pagsorpresa dito kay ate sa kanyang birthday. Yan, only the best will do. Fioridella. Ayan, flower. Ang bango niya guys, talagang humahalimuyak. Ayan, tapos ito yung cake. Ayan, happy birthday si Stapani, love by Joanne Birds. Okay. Okay. Yan. Dali, bayad na. Bayad na si Kuyang Rider. Okay, bubuksan natin yung cake. Okay. Lagyan natin ng apoy. Lap, dali. Lapit. Lapit mo muna. Yan. Okay. Oo. Okay, yung cellphone muna lang. Yung cellphone muna. Dali. Akit na ako. Dali.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ako. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Yeah, here we go. Happy birthday to you.
Wow!
Yeah, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Palbog siya eh.
Day to you. Hipian mo.
Wag, mababayro siya. Ayan, sabi mo na.
Ang bango ng flower.
Ang bango nga.
Amoy na amoy sa buong bahay eh.
Ang bango. Ganda na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dance to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alam mo na kanina pa yan, nagkaldal ikaw na naman yung rider.
Yan guys.
Ikaw gumising na kanina. Gumising ka na kanina. Sabi ko naku patay, nasa baba ata.
Thank you.
Sabihin mo kaya, Ate Q, thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Meron niyang,
Ha?
basahin mo.
Ha?
Oh my God.
Ay, ano palang ganito?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay na. Matulog ka na ulit. Nalagay na ang nasa baba. Sabi mo yan, mamaya maganda ka. Pipicturean ka namin.
Are you happy? Nakuha na ko ba ng video?